Hello guys and welcome. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to create a database using sqlite3 in Python 3. So I'll assume you have sqlite3 installed, and if you haven't yet installed it on your machine, you'll just go to your command line. In my case, I'll just press Windows and R button, and then you type pip install sqlite3. So with this command you'll be able to install sqlite3 module for Python. So I already have it installed. So to create the database, this is my Python file right here, sqlite_1.py. this one, so I will create an sqlite3 database in the same folder. What I'm going to do is I'm going to first import the sqlite3 module, import sqlite3. Then if I try to run this file with this command, with only this command right there, the import sqlite3, when I try running it, so I shouldn't get any error. That means I already have sqlite3 installed. The same should be for your case. After that, I'm going to create the database. So I'll create a variable for handling the connection. Connect me will be equal to sqlite3.connect, and inside the parenthesis I'll add the database name. In my case, I'll name it attendees.db, so the file extension has to be .db. After creating the connection, then I'll have to save and exit the database, save the changes and close the database connection. I will do that with this command right here, connect me, the variable I created initially, .commit, that right here. So I've created the database and established the connection, and the database name is called attendees.db, and then I save the changes. So when I run this command, these commands here, I should get a new file called attendees.db in this same folder where my script is. So when I run this, so it has finished executing. So when I go back in the folder, I see a new file called attendees.db and it's 0 kbs. If you wish to create this database in the folder before your Python file, what you will do is you will change the file URL, the source of the script. Like, you will have to add 2 dots and a /. So this means that this tells Python to create your database in the folder before your script. So when I delete this and check in the folder before my script, there is only one folder, the one with the script. So when I run this script, it should run and create the database. So it has finished running. So when I check, it has finished creating the database in the folder before the script. So that's it guys, that's how you can create a database in sqlite3 using Python. Thanks for watching. Cheers.